Alright, night code. See you in the morning. Bugs! Boss, there's bugs in the Linux build.
Then fix it.
I use Visual Studio.
Visual Studio can debug on Linux using WSL and GDB. I'll show you. Go to aka.ms/WSL on your web browser. Follow the instructions to get a full installation of your favorite Linux distribution.
Ah, I see. And now I'm back in my code. I can go to my configurations and manage configuration, and then I can add a new one so I can target WSL right from Visual Studio. If I add one and then scroll down, then I can find this WSL GCC debug, and that'll add a new target. Great.
Exactly, and now you can just set breakpoints like you normally would in Visual Studio. You can even change the settings to add conditions to the breakpoint. Or you can add actions, such as to show a message in the output window whenever the breakpoint is hit.
This is great. I even see my locals in my window when we're at the breakpoint, and I see where we're in my code. I can even right-click on a variable and add a watchpoint. Thanks very much, boss. This was super helpful. Boss?